Welcome back to your home garage. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life indicator on your Honda Odyssey for years 2005 to 2011. Now, it's incredibly simple. So the first thing you want to start off with is let's just go to the ignition. Let's just turn this off. You want to make sure that your car is in the off position. You don't need to turn it on, just accessories on. There you go. That's it. Now with your oil life indicator, it may or may not display right away. So just hit that button right here, your reset button, until you get your oil life indicator showing up, which is right there. Next thing what you want to do is you want to hold that button down for 10 seconds or until that starts to flash or blink. So here we go. Just hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Should start to blink. There we go. Now hold it again for approximately 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there we go. Reset back to 0. And there you have it. That's how you reset your oil life indicator on your Honda Odyssey. And hopefully you like this video, so make sure you give it a thumbs up. Of course, share this video with a friend. Comment below as I reply to all. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.